What is EXP and how can it benefit you? I'm Matt Smith Real Estate Group. I'm proud to mention, not a lot of people know this, but we are actually brokered by EXP Realty. One of the most common questions that I get asked is, what is EXP? In this video, I'm gonna break down the 4 pillars of EXP and how it might be a good fit for you. So let me first start by saying EXP Realty is the fastest growing real estate company in the history of real estate. Pretty powerful statement, but it's the truth. EXP Realty is the fastest growing real estate company in the history of real estate. So we partnered with them for a reason. And so we're gonna break some of those down. Let's start with the first pillar. The first pillar of EXP is technology and lead generation. When you join EXP, you receive access to cutting edge tools and technology that is going to innovate you and elevate you and from the competition. You also receive access to leads. Yes, you get leads with EXP. The second pillar of EXP is training. We've talked about this before. Training is a huge missing link in most real estate companies. So I love the fact that EXP has tons of training for us, for our agents. What's cool about EXP training is it's not training by theorists, right? It's not training by somebody who read a book. EXP has a icon program, which is the top producers across the country. Part of being on that program is you give back to the company by teaching a class of what your expertise is from people in the trenches. You actually learn real life things you can apply in your business. EXP provides more than 50 hours of live training every single week, educating its agents on topics like sales, listings, lead generation, social media, how to work your CRM, you name it, they have a training for it. The third pillar of EXP is stock and ownership. Yes, you heard me right. As an agent of EXP Realty, you own the company. You are what we call an agent owner. So you can actually earn stock in the fastest growing real estate company in the history of real estate. How much stock do you have in your current company? This is a huge factor that most people don't understand the value of that. So you get stock when you close your first transaction. You get stock when you reach your commission cap. That's right, you also have a cap in your commission. You only pay EXP up to a certain amount. And also, given how fast the company is growing, your stock may increase significantly in value. This is not stock financial advice by any means, but I'll give you my experience. It has been a very good investment for me. The fourth pillar of EXP is revenue sharing. Revenue sharing. Not only does EXP give you education, they give you training and technology, they give you ownership in the company, they also share their revenue with you. No, it's not too good to be true. I promise you, I've been with the company about 4 years now, and it's great. It's a life-changing opportunity. So in this program, you actually, when you invite other agents to the company, whenever they sell a home, you actually get a portion of the revenue from the company off of the top. It's important to note this is revenue sharing, not profit sharing. So it actually, revenue and profit are two different things, right? So as a real estate company, they are sharing with you the money that comes off of the top from anybody that you introduce to the company. They give you a portion of that revenue. Pretty amazing opportunity. If you'd like to hear more about that, I'd love to talk with you in depth because there's so many lucrative options there for you. And just to note, there are some stipulations there, but it's a huge opportunity for you. So these 4 pillars are available to you. If you considered a career in real estate, this opportunity cannot be ignored. We'd love to talk with you about this. If you're interested, head to the link in the comments, apply there. I'd love to have a conversation and see if this may be a good fit for you. Thanks so much for watching.